If you're a student, you are just looking for a real honest side hustle that doesn't involve crazy promises, this video is actually for you. Today, I'm showing you 5 legit websites where you can earn money testing apps, websites, and physical products. Imagine earning extra cash just for giving your feedback on websites or apps you already use. Sounds too easy. Well, let me show you how it works, step by step. First up is Trimata. You'll be asked to complete tasks while recording your screen and voice. Test takes about 15 to 20 minutes and pay around $10 to $20. It's simple and payments go directly to your PayPal. Next is user field. After a short screening, you'll start getting tasks to test websites. They pay $10 per test and you can take tests in different languages, which is a bonus. The third is user testing. It's probably the most popular site. You do a short qualification test and then start receiving real paid tasks. Most are quick 20 minutes tests for $10, but longer interviews can pay much more. The fourth is User Pick. User Pick lets you test websites and apps while speaking your thoughts aloud. It's straightforward and usually pays $10 per test. Great for those who like short, flexible bits. The last on my list is Testing Time. Testing Time stands out because they offer remote interviews and sometimes send physical products to test. Their tests pay higher, up to $50 or more, but you need to book time in advance. Okay, let's be real. This is not a magical stuff where you make passive income, but it is a genuine flexible way that you can make extra income while you're studying or even when you have your main job. Signing up on more than one platform can increase your chances of getting more work. So if you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more no-nonsense side hustles. You can also drop a comment and let me know the platform that you are going to use first. See you in the next video and keep hustling smart.